Now let's see the properties of divisibility. The first property states that if a number is divisible by any other number, then it is divisible by its factors, right? That means if I can divide any number by 6, so what are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. So that number will be divided by 18 divided by 6 is 3. So that number will be divisible by 2 as well as 3, right? But if the case is different, if a number is divisible by its factor, it will be divisible by the product, not always necessarily, because I have explained you earlier that if the factors are co-prime, then जो उसका product आएगा, in that case that number will be divisible by the product. But if the numbers are not co-prime, right, in that case the whatever is the product, that will not divide the other number completely. I have given you the example earlier also, so don't get confused. In this you will just remember, if any number is divisible by say any other number, then like let's take example 428 is divisible by 4, then obviously it will be divisible by 2 also, because 2 is the factor of 4. Fine. Let's take another example. 75 is divisible by 15. So 75 will be divisible by 5 as well as 3, right? Because 5 and 3 are factors. But it is not necessary that if a number is divisible by 5 and 3, it will be divisible by 15. But in this case it will be, because 5 and 3 are co-prime. Okay. Let's take another example. If a number is divisible by say 15, any number is divisible by 15, like 285 is divisible by 15. 285 is divisible by 3, right? They are both, 285 is divisible by 15, 285 is divisible by 3. But are they co-prime? They aren't co-prime. So 285 will not be divisible, not possible that it will be divisible by the product of 5 and 3. But if any number is divisible by any number, like 285 is divisible by 15, सो इसके जो भी 15 के जो भी फैक्टर होंगे, 5 चाहे वो कोई को प्राइम हो या नहीं हो, इट विल बी डिविजिबल. फाइन. 45 इंटू 2 इज़ व्हाट? 90. 90 is divisible by 45. 90 is divisible by 45. So what are the factors of 45? 5, then 3, then 15. So 90 will be divisible by 5 as well as 3 as well as 15, right? But the ulta is not always true. It is only true in case of co-primes. Just remember this. So in a nutshell, once again I'll say you, if a number is divisible by any other number, then it is surely to be divisible by its factors, right? If a number is, say, any number x is divisible by y, then whatever are the factors of y will also divide x, but vice versa is not always correct. It is only correct in case of co-primes.